Hi guys, I'm so glad you guys tuned in to Chat with Maria at dinner time. Um, Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be notified for any other future updates, or should I say uploads. Today, guys, I will be mukbanging five, one, two, three, four, five, yeah, five sloppy joes, and I have Kool-Aid, yeah, y'all, strawberry, kiwi on deck. Didn't have my water because it didn't get cold in time. So say my prayers, y'all. We're gonna get it in. Heavenly Father, in the name of Jesus, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Extra blessings and the back nourishment of my body. Thank you for this food in Jesus' name. Amen. So I hope everybody's doing well. Um, ooh, I don't want all this stuff to spill. Oh man, I know I'm gonna have to use my spoon. It's gonna be eating with hands, guys. So forgive me in advance. In advance. Might be not. It may not be that much of talking because I am hungry. Excuse me. Guys, we got leaves blowing everywhere. And I'm like so mad about it. And what makes me so mad is, like when my tree dropped leaves, I think I bagged up 5 bags of leaves. And when other people's leaves drop, they don't get them. They don't get them up. And, when the wind comes and just blow the leaves everywhere and blow it up on my property, and then what makes me have to clean up their leaves. I hate that. So get your lazy self outside and get your leaves that come from your trees up. Oh, guys, I be piping mad too. And then it's like one of the neighbors, and it's like the wind has been blowing so hard, blowing the leaves everywhere. And this one neighbor, it's like he got a force field around his doggone house. I mean, I don't care how hard the wind blow, guys, it's not budging near his house. And it seems like they all coming in my direction though, will tee me off. It may be there to spring to keep it up. I'm tired of all these leaves, especially when I did my tree. None of my leaves have blown in anybody's yard. because I got all of my leaves up. And now all these old lazy people, they trees, they leaves are blown all in my yard. Oh, it made me so mad. All this meat is falling everywhere, man. They do that over here. They don't want to get up their leaves. It's like, well, you should have considered that tree before you bought that house. That's what I did. Some houses I saw, first thing I did was looked at the trees of how much work I had to do in the fall. I was like, so I want me a house with no trees if I can. So my house only has this little, well, it ain't all that little, but it's not that big at all. But shoot, that monster had some leaves this year. So it's only like one little tree, like on the front side. Because they had no houses available without the trees, so I only had that one little one. Because when I lived in Rochester, I asked the landlord, why did you plant so many trees? And then there was this big old maple tree that she loved and I hated. I think that yard, I think I had to do like anywhere from between 30 to 35 bags of leaves. Now y'all, you know, that was ridiculous. That was a lot of leaves. And that maple tree, oh my word, the landlord had to come and clean out the gutters because that tree was so big. I mean, so big. One time it was winter. When the stupid thing decided to finish dropping, I said, you know what? Them leaves gonna be got up when springtime comes. I really don't like doing that because it seems like the leaves are much easier to get up when they're freshly falling. And like when you wait to the spring, I don't know, I guess because all it be soaked and everything, and they really fully don't dry out to the summer. I just think it's a pain. So I want to get my leaves before it snows. Yeah, I hate when I gotta do extra work. I don't mind if I'm getting paid for it, but because somebody want to be lazy, want they start to blow in people's yards so they won't have to get it out. Y'all, my yard could have been free and clear. Now I gotta go get a blower. And I ain't breaking all them leaves up. No, no. I think all the hard work I've done in the yard, has took a toll. Now, if for some reason it seems like it's a big strain. So I said, no, I gotta get a blower. Cause y'all, it seemed like last year when wintertime came, it seemed like I had more snow than anybody. And then I was starting to get teed off. I got more snow than anybody, but my snow melt quicker than everybody. I had a driveway, a walkway, 2 decks. And it seemed like we was getting a foot of snow each time. I'm like, no, yeah, this was a foot, not inches. Okay, yeah. So I'm like, So y'all gotta get that power shovel. It ain't all big and wide. It's a power shovel. So I'm gonna try that and see how that works. Cause I'm telling you, when wintertime came this winter that passed, guys, I was literally shoveling. Oh, it was horrible. Let me see. Anywhere between 5 to 3 times a day. That's how much snow we got. And if I hadn't waited, it would have been much harder. And I didn't have a snow blower. I was shoveling with my hands. I mean, with a metal shovel. And then I paid other people to shovel. But it was something else. You know, greedy. Say, I know you eating 5. Oh, and I'm on my last one and I'm surprised because I can. That's why I'm trying to talk to keep my mind off of it so I can finish something. Yeah, guys. So shoot, I gotta. So I'm gonna try that power shovel. Has the power of a snowblower, but the features of a shovel. Oh, I eat all the bread. You supposed to be sitting down. Ooh, I'm stuffed. Whew. Okay, guys, I made it for my 5 sloppy joes. Yeah, yay, I did. I made it. Well, I should have said a challenge instead of mukbang because I never ate 5 before. Out of all the sandwiches I ate, that was easier to get down. And I got it all down in 18 minutes and something. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you like the video, share the video. So, guys, thank you once again. Bye bye.